Well, I'm coming back again with another craft kit. Today is a pretty simple one, but fun. You, in this kit, we're going to be decorating bookmarks. And you're thinking, it's just a black bookmark. What can we do? Well, in this kit, we give you a wooden stylus, their instructions, the bookmark, string to adhere to your bookmark, and a clear plastic sleeve to put your bookmark in once you're done. Now I'm going to give you a demonstration of how this is going to go, but I do have instructions for you to follow, which are right here. I'm just going to do a freehand design and hopefully we come out with something cute. Alright, and let's begin. Once you've made your design, you can tap off the rest of the ink, and there's a little pre-cut hole here that you want to poke the stick through to clear the hole. Go, you pull it off at the back part here. Insert your string. Give it a quick tie at the top, not too hard, but firm enough to stay. And you want to double knot it. And my bookmark basically says, "Welcome back to the library." And to protect the bookmark, what I'm going to do is insert it, if I can get it on the right side. Okay, just bear with me. I have it. Insert the bookmark. There's a little film at the top that you need to pull off. Bend it close. And here you go. It's a really simple, quick craft, but it's fun. And you can also see that when you scratch off the black ink, you have a rainbow pattern under there, so it's going to be quite colorful. Thank you, and remember to sign up for Beanstack. It's the Blue Island Public Library Summer Reading Program. And again, welcome back to the library.